So, aggressive debt paydown enhances the value to the equity investors. Aggressive debt paydown enhances value to equity investors. So that's exactly what we have done in this model, and as such, we have a well-structured model up to this point where everything has been accounted for, well integrated, and now we are ready to produce our credit metrics. So we have set up everything up to this point, and the only thing left now is to account for the credit metrics, and ultimately we will calculate the the equity value to the equity investors as a result of this transaction. So hopefully this gives you a drive on how to go about modeling leverage buyout models. So up to this point, we have done everything perfectly. We are now ready to account for the values to the equity investors. So we have completed almost everything. The only thing that we might just have to do here, which I think that was, we just open this income tax section or AJ. I remember that we had this section modeled a while ago. So for the profitable, for the earnings before taxes, which we accounted here for, if this amount is greater than 0, then it means this company is profitable. So we will always have it modeled like that. So we just want to make this a little bit dynamic by adjusting to the total taxes. So we can hit F2, or we multiply these total taxes by whatever we set up here to be yes or no. So if ever this company is not profitable, the total taxes will kick in and it will be a 0 balance instead. So we have that set up there. We can just hit enter. It won't impact the model now, but if ever there were any adjustments to, say there was a tax loss, or we had tax losses, then you will see this kicking in. And then the only thing we also have to make adjustments here for is for this we have to make adjustments for the taxable income. So in this case, we will set this to be equal to, so we want to take the maximum of that amount and 0. So if ever there is a negative there are losses in case, then we will just not have a negative taxable income. In this case, we will just set it to be 0. So that's exactly what we are doing here to make our model more dynamic. It doesn't impact operations, but if ever things flips around in the model, then we will see that kicking in. So up to this point, we just go as far as just talking about from whatever we have done so far. So we began with the revenue schedule. We were able to derive revenue based on the breakdown of revenue sales volume. And then we were later on able to arrive at the cost section, where we had several costs such as materials, packaging, and transportation. We were able to simulate the fixed cost and the variable cost. And then we were able to talk about whatever happens as a result of this model. The fixed cost amplifies returns as a result of leverage. So we spoke about that a while ago, and then we were able to use whatever we calculated as our total cost here to drive our income income statement going forward. So we had it the total cost of goods sold, where the total fixed cost and the variable cost, and then we also had the revenue we calculated already, and then we later on simulated our complex depreciation schedule, and then we were able to derive our current and deferred taxes based on our income tax schedule. We were also able to arrive at the net income as a result, and then this net income later on impacted cash from operations. So this net income had to be adjusted by other non-cash items, which later on was used to pay down debt. And then we had adjustments for the capital expenditures in the period. So whatever adjustments we had was also used to compensate the other tranches of debt to be paid. So we had to deduct any capital expenditures as a result. And then we also had our complex debt schedule here, where we had adjustments to be made before the revolver credit line was paid, and then we were able to use whatever cash was made after those adjustments to pay down the revolver credit line, which we see here, and then later on we use whatever was left to pay down the term loan A, and we use all other cash